So, what exactly is AdWords? Well, AdWords is the program that Google uses to let advertisers run ads on its network. It launched on October 23rd, 2000, to let advertisers put ads on Google search results. It lets advertisers reach people who are actively looking for their products and services. Those are often the people who are most likely to buy from you. It lets any advertiser quickly create an ad and start running it with very little bureaucracy. Even if you have never created an ad before, you could create a new account and get your ad to show up on Google.com in about an hour. Anyone who wants to create an ad gets the same options. You can't unlock additional features by paying more. The AdWords system that a small business owner works on is the same as the AdWords system used by companies that spend millions and millions of dollars per month with Google. So, how does it work? Well, AdWords helps people create campaigns by letting them create ads and keywords while customizing the settings to meet their needs. It provides advanced tools to let people create sophisticated campaigns with minimal effort. For example, if you sell sports equipment, you might want your ads to show up on a keyword like buy footballs, but not buy football tickets. AdWords provides tools to help make sure your ads show up only where you want them to. Ads can appear in 4 different places. They can be on Google.com search results, on Google's network of search partners, on Google's network of content partners, or on YouTube. For now, you can ignore everything other than Google.com search results. This course will focus on that because that is where most of the valuable traffic is. We will explain the other places in later chapters. So what does it look like? Here's a screenshot of the interface. I took it from the Campaigns tab, which is the tab where advertisers spend more than 90% of their time. In this case, I took a screenshot of an account that is empty to give you an idea of what it looks like before any ads or keywords are created. There are a bunch of different subtabs that you can click on, like ad groups, settings, or ads, to look at those specific elements of your campaigns.